And imagine maybe, it's a period where you're working extremely hard, and you are committed to your job. In the meantime, you're getting ready for these interviews, and then you're almost there.
Did you pretend you have doctor's appointments, or did you tell the people in your group know you were recruiting?
No, it's better not to say. My suggestion is never say it.
But that's brutal.
If it's a close friend,
you have to get away.
Yeah. If it's a close friend that you can really trust, fine. Otherwise, I wouldn't say, because it doesn't. It's not good. No. Yeah. My suggestion is don't say that.
So you had twice you got to the final round and you didn't get it, or 3 times, something like that.
Yeah. And then, look, I don't remember. Then other times it was maybe the second, then it depends. Some funds, they have like 4 rounds, other they have 8 rounds, other 10, it really depends. But look, at the end of the day, what the most important thing is that you don't have to give up. Again, very annoying, depressing when you get close to get an offer and then you don't get it. And then maybe it takes months before you get another interview, because, there are some certain periods during the year where you get more interviews, and then past that point, then maybe for another 3-4 months, there is nothing. Right? Yeah. So you really need, I see a lot of friends of mine, ex-colleagues, that they were as good as me, or maybe even better than me, that they gave up because they had some, they got close to get an offer, they didn't get it, and they decided, okay, so it's very difficult, it's not working out, I give up. But if you really want it, don't give up, keep pushing, and at the end you will have it.